Okay, hello and welcome to a new vlog. This week I decided to do a spring clean closet clear out. Every morning I go to my closet and I get this big huge energy drain right now because it's really still set up for the winter and it's been spring here for quite a long time. The weather's getting really warm and so I have too many winter things in the forefront of my closet and I have this feeling like I don't have anything to wear, which is not true. So I've been watching all these videos on YouTube on how to spring clean your closet, and I'm going to go through and take everything out and hopefully get rid of a bunch of things and put it all back in a way that I can be sure to be able to wear the things that I have and just do a big clear out, because as we know, as yogis, aparigraha, non-hoarding is really important, and I just have a tendency to want to hang on to things, but today is the day that I'm going to clear things out and feel lighter and lift my energy as a result. Okay, so everything is on the bed. That is the easy part. A lot of things have more than one thing on the hanger, which is something that I absolutely don't want. And I'm going to go through everything, try things on, get rid of things, put things that are ready for the summer back in the closet, put things that are winter in the back of the closet. And this is the part that's probably going to take the longest time. Okay, I got rid of some things in the closet. I put it all back. Now I'm just going to do a little smudging with the Palo Santo. And it's all organized for spring now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you watched all the way to the end, if you're one of my fabulous finishers, then put I love spring cleaning in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you next week for another fabulous vlog, and I will see you next week. Thanks for subscribing and turning on those notifications. And next week we will surely be outside when I get a new gimbal again, because my gimbal is broken. And we'll have a great vlog for you. We'll be out and about hiking or doing some food or something fun. See you next week. Bye!